The following footage was captured by a family who were on a commercial airline. They gave their young son a cell phone just to mess around with, keep him occupied during the plane. So of course he begins recording. And thank goodness he did. He captures what looks like a UFO outside of that plane window. Nobody saw it during the ride. It wasn't until after. And what lends this video credibility is, just like young children are prone to do, he's swinging the camera to the window, to his family, recording everything, but it's all fast-paced because he's not realizing what he's captured. Take a look at this footage and tell me what you think.
What else?